Alright, just a real quick video here. I want to tell you about the newest, or one of the newest things I've added to the truck. It's these Trackform phone mounts. I went with the pick rail mount, or Picatinny rail mount. It's just like a Picatinny rail that you'd put on top of a rifle or something for mounting an optic. And the same mounting solutions, and these things are solid. They do not move. They are rock solid, and they are super easy to put in, at least on the Ford Ranger. They come with everything you need to put it in. This is the piece that it replaces on the Ranger. It just goes right here on top of your center screen. It comes with the trim removal tool. It came with a nut driver, a nice nut driver. Came with a little barrel to line up a drill bit, because you do have to drill 2 holes for this. But it came that way your drill bit stays straight. It's just a really nice piece. Even came with the little rubber plugs to go in the hole after you've got it installed. And like I said, it was really easy to install. Took me about 30 minutes, but of that 30 minutes, it was also including putting away my tools and stopping to talk to my neighbor who came over to see what I was doing. Really, probably about 15 to 20 minutes was actual install time. So if you're looking for a phone mount, and if you're tired of suction cups and all that, and I recommend this. It's really pretty good. I got the 2 mounts, one for me, one for the wife, so she can put her phone up there. So, all right, y'all have a good day.